Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make freekeh soup with chicken. So you're going to need 4 chicken leg quarters that are cut up. You're also going to need 2 teaspoons of chicken flavor Maggi, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin. You need 1 large onion, 2 cups of freekeh, and a pinch of turmeric. Now, the freekeh is the fire roasted baby wheat. You can get this at your local Middle Eastern store. And the first thing you're going to do is rinse your freekeh. So you're going to rinse it out about 2 to 3 times. And then we're going to go ahead and place it in a pressure cooker, and I'll show you how to do that. So we've placed the freekeh in the pressure cooker, and we added 12 cups of water. And we're going to cook it on high for an hour. The freekeh has been cooking now for an hour on high in the pressure cooker, and now I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it to a regular pot and place it on the stovetop. So I placed my freekeh in a regular pot, and I have my stovetop on high heat. And now we're going to go ahead and cut up an onion. You want to leave it whole. You don't want to cut it all the way because we're going to place it in the pot and then take it out once it's done. Now you're just going to go ahead and place your onion inside the pot. After adding the onion, you're also going to be adding the chicken to your freekeh. Okay, so after adding your chicken, you're just going to go ahead and add half a teaspoon of cumin, and you're going to bring everything into a boil and let it boil together for 10 minutes. Okay, so now it's been boiling for 10 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and add a pinch of turmeric. And then you're also going to be adding 2 teaspoons of chicken flavor Maggi and then half a teaspoon of black pepper. And now you're just going to go ahead and mix it in and let it boil for another 20 minutes. This is what it looks like after boiling together for 20 minutes. And now I'm just going to go ahead and remove the onion, and then it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.